Morning, my son and also sleeping. This is our family brunch at the Blackford of Singapore, April 25, 2026. This is Limpoy, the retired man. My son, Mitchell, also came home this morning. He's sleeping now. Enjoy folks at the Blackford of Singapore. April 25, 2026. We're having a pancake with fried chicken, scrambled egg, and potato. Okay? Enjoy at Blackford, Singapore. Our family brunch. Okay? Enjoy Singapore. Scrambled eggs, pancake, fried chicken, and potato. Okay? Enjoy Singapore. Our family brunch.